Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have seen Python modules. Module is basically what it is an Python object with a named attribute that we can bind and reference. Basically, module is a file which consists of Python code. एक .py एक्सटेंशन का फाइल होगा जिसमें क्या होगा, पाइथन कोड होगा. So this module can define functions, classes, variables that we have already seen in Python. Okay, so this Python can also include the runnable code. So any file which have extension called as .py, that can be considered it as a module, and we can import these modules to another modules by using names as which we have defined in one file. Okay, so every file of a Python source code who's named with extension as .py can be a file, can be a module, and we can use that by using importing that particular modules. So importing operation is essentially to access another files and that grant that access to that particular file contents. So here we need to use two files for modules. So let's first see what is a module. Python module can be defined as a Python program which contains Python code including Python function, classes and variables. I have already told you it is an saved with the extension .py. It's treated as a module. So to use functionality of one module into another, we have to import specific module. Let's see the syntax. There are two ways for importing module. One is import statement by using import statement, second one is from import statement. So let's see first import statement. Syntax for importing is keyword import followed by module 1, module 2, module 2. How many modules do we have? We can import. So let's see the practical demonstration of this, how to import the module. For this we require two files. So this is a text editor. Just here we need to perform addition of two numbers. So for this we have to write function called as addition. So def, keyword is def space followed by function name is addition, and this is an function, so it should have parentheses, round parentheses, and which consists of two parameters for addition of two numbers called as n1 comma n2. N1 should be small. Okay, so this is how we can write a function followed by colon. Now after this we just need to give the logic for addition of two numbers. By using print statement we can give print in round parentheses addition is space is and we need to give addition of two numbers as n1 plus n2 because these are two parameters, n1 plus n2, which gives us addition of two numbers. simply we have done with our code. Now save this code as add.py. Save the file. So this is one file called as function is addition, file name is add.py. Now we require one more file. In that file we will import this file. So let's take one more file, text editor. So in this text editor, first we need to import previous file name. So previous file name is add.py, right? So we have to import that name into over here. So for this we have to write import keyword, import space name of a previous file name, that is previous module name. So name is add.py. So only we need to write add, no extension should not be written, okay, and followed by colon, semicolon. Now here we just need to pass the parameter values for addition of two numbers. So module name is add dot, what is the name of a file, what is the function of a add.py, that is addition, name is addition. So add dot addition, and addition have two parameters n1 and n2. So for this we have to provide two values for n1 and n2. So 10, 20 will be assigned to n1, n2. Yes. Now only we need to save this code, that is main add.py. Sorry. Main add.py. Click on save. Yes, our code gets saved and we are done with our code. First file is add.py and then second file, that is main add.py, in which the module gets imported. Now the whole module gets imported over here by using import statement. We need to run python space main add.py. This is the script mode. In the script mode we need to mention python space name of a file.py. Yes, when we click on enter we got output as addition is 30. So this is how we make use of import. Suppose if we need to change this module name is add, suppose we need to change that module name, how we can change? So when we are importing, that time we can change it to the another name. So simply we need to write import space add space adds keyword and followed by name, new name of a file. So simply import import name of module is add. We need to change to add to another name. So for this we require as keyword and next module name. Suppose module name is A, so when we are accessing we need to write a dot addition, because add gets changed to A, okay, but name of a function should be same, the addition should be same. only module I have changed to from add to A. So this is how we can change the module. Say let's see, when we run this code, same code, we got output as same, that is addition is 30. What we have only changed module name. So module name can be changed. Import module name as new module name, and while accessing new name dot function name. So this is how we can do importing a module. I hope everyone is cleared with this example, how we can import a module and how we can change the module name. So I think it's enough for today. In next lecture we will see how we can import from import module. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.